Hey everyone! If you're on a journey to lose weight or simply looking to stay healthy without feeling deprived, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing the top 10 superfoods that can help you shed pounds naturally, feel energized, and nourish your body. These aren't just trendy ingredients, they're packed with nutrients and can easily be incorporated into your everyday meals. So, let's dive in. First up, we have the beloved avocado. These healthy fats help you feel full and satisfied, which means less snacking throughout the day. Not only are they packed with healthy fats, but avocados are also loaded with fiber. This dynamic duo keeps your digestion happy and your energy levels stable. One of my favorite ways to enjoy avocado is by spreading it on whole grain toast with a sprinkle of salt and maybe a poached egg on top. But don't limit yourself to toast. Avocados are super versatile. You can add them to salads, smoothies, or even make a delicious guacamole. Remember, healthy fats are your friends, and avocado is the perfect example of how to incorporate them into your diet for sustainable weight loss. Next up are chia seeds. These little powerhouses are like magic for weight loss. They're packed with fiber, and when they come into contact with liquid, they expand in your stomach, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for hours. Chia seeds are also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which boost metabolism and help your body burn more calories. One of the easiest ways to enjoy chia seeds is by making chia pudding. Mix a couple of tablespoons with your choice of milk and let it sit overnight in the fridge. Top it off with some fresh berries for an extra dose of antioxidants and flavor, and you've got yourself a healthy and satisfying meal. We all know the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." But did you know that apples are also amazing for weight loss? These fruits are not just tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. These crunchy delights are low in calories and high in fiber and water, which means they can help you feel full without consuming too many calories, making them incredibly filling and satisfying. This can be particularly helpful if you're trying to cut down on unhealthy snacks. Apples are packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants, which are crucial for maintaining good health, including vitamin C, which is great for boosting your immune system. This can help you stay healthy and ward off illnesses. Apples are a great source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for managing your energy levels throughout the day, while insoluble fiber aids in digestion, helping to keep your digestive system running smoothly. One of my favorite ways to enjoy apples is to sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. This adds a delicious flavor and extra health benefits. You can also slice them up and dip them in almond butter for a healthy and satisfying snack. This combination is both nutritious and delicious. So next time you're reaching for a snack, grab an apple. It's a simple choice that can make a big difference. It's a delicious and nutritious way to support your weight loss goals. Incorporate apples into your daily diet and enjoy the benefits they offer. Blueberries are a nutritional powerhouse when it comes to weight loss. These little gems are bursting with antioxidants and have a low glycemic index, which means they won't spike your blood sugar levels. By keeping your blood sugar stable, you'll experience fewer cravings and have more sustained energy throughout the day. Blueberries are also anti-inflammatory, which is fantastic for overall health and well-being. One of my favorite ways to enjoy blueberries is to add a handful to my morning Greek yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious snack, reach for a handful of blueberries. Eggs are a classic breakfast staple that's also a fantastic ally in your weight loss journey. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats, making them ideal for keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Protein is crucial for weight loss as it helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack between meals. Eggs are also rich in choline, a nutrient that plays a vital role in brain function, metabolism, and fat transport in the body. One of the simplest ways to enjoy eggs is to boil them. Have 2 boiled eggs with a slice of whole grain toast for a breakfast that will keep you energized all morning long. So don't shy away from eggs. They're a versatile and nutritious food that can play a significant role in your weight loss journey. Quinoa is a super grain that's an excellent addition to any weight loss diet. This ancient grain has been cultivated for thousands of years and is known for its incredible health benefits. Unlike other grains, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. This makes it an ideal choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to boost their protein intake. Quinoa is rich in fiber, which aids in digestion, regulates blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied after meals. The high fiber content also helps in maintaining a healthy gut. It's also a good source of iron, magnesium, and other essential nutrients. These minerals are crucial for maintaining energy levels, supporting bone health, and ensuring proper muscle function. One of my favorite ways to enjoy quinoa is to make a refreshing quinoa salad with chopped veggies, lemon juice, olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This simple yet delicious dish is perfect for a light lunch or a side dish. Quinoa is a versatile ingredient that can be used in countless ways. From savory to sweet dishes, the possibilities are endless. You can use it as a base for breakfast bowls, stuff it in bell peppers for a healthy dinner, or even use it as a substitute for rice or couscous. Its mild flavor pairs well with a variety of ingredients, making it a staple in any kitchen. Kale is a leafy green superfood that's incredibly nutrient-dense and super low in calories, making it a fantastic addition to any weight loss journey. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Kale's high fiber content is a game changer for weight loss, helping you feel full and satisfied. One of my favorite ways to enjoy kale is in a salad. Massage the kale with a little olive oil and lemon juice to tenderize the leaves, then toss it with your favorite veggies, nuts, and seeds. So if you're looking for a nutrient-packed, low-calorie food to support your weight loss goals, look no further than kale. It's a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal. Bell peppers are a colorful and versatile vegetable that can add a burst of flavor and a satisfying crunch to your meals while supporting your weight loss goals. They're an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps boost your immune system and protect your cells from damage. One of my favorite ways to enjoy bell peppers is to slice them up and dip them in hummus. So next time you're looking for a healthy and flavorful snack or a colorful addition to your meals, reach for a bell pepper. Greek yogurt is a creamy and delicious dairy product that's become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. It's packed with protein, probiotics, and essential nutrients that are vital for a balanced diet. Greek yogurt goes through a straining process that removes most of the whey, resulting in a thicker, creamier texture and a higher concentration of protein. Protein is essential for weight loss as it helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack between meals. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. Greek yogurt is also a good source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that live in your gut and play a vital role in digestion and overall health. These probiotics can help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora. One of my favorite ways to enjoy Greek yogurt is to top it with a sprinkle of chia seeds, a drizzle of honey, and some fresh fruit. This combination not only adds flavor but also boosts the nutritional value. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious snack or a protein-packed breakfast option, consider Greek yogurt. It's versatile and can be enjoyed in many different ways. Reach for a container of Greek yogurt. It's a simple and tasty way to nourish your body. Salmon is a delicious and nutritious fatty fish that's renowned for its health benefits, including its potential to aid in weight loss. It's packed with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for overall health, playing a vital role in brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. One of my favorite ways to prepare salmon is to grill it with a squeeze of lemon and serve it with roasted vegetables. It's a simple yet delicious meal that's packed with nutrients and will leave you feeling satisfied and energized. Incorporate this fatty fish into your diet a couple of times a week and reap the numerous health benefits it has to offer. And there you have it, 10 superfoods that can help you reach your weight loss goals while keeping you full, energized, and satisfied. Try incorporating these foods into your daily meals and see how they make you feel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.